I am certain you chose to watch this video because you know already that ignoring a woman can really be a power move when you're aiming to gain back control. But how you do it, when you do it, and why you do it counts. I'll be explaining it all down for you in the video coming up, but first, let me just share this. Let me tell you something about women. We see everything. A text you didn't send, a call you didn't make, the work you suddenly stopped putting in. Ignoring a woman can be a power move, sure, but it can also go wrong in ways you don't expect. So today, I'm explaining exactly what happens when you ignore a woman and how it could either help you or ruin any chance you had. And you may have your reasons, and they could be good, but just be mindful how you go about it. Stephanie here, hello to the channel, let's begin. First, the quick response, curiosity or confusion. Let's start with what happens immediately when you ignore a woman. Women are born intuitive and focused on details, especially when it comes to someone that they care about. So when you suddenly stop all contact, her mind naturally will go into overdrive. She'll start asking herself, why hasn't he texted me back? Did I say something wrong? Is he upset? But here's where it gets fascinating. If she likes you, or even if she's just a little curious about you, this silence will become like a cliffhanger in her favorite show. She has to know what's going on. And here's the thing, women hate not knowing. That little space you created by ignoring her makes her fill in the blanks. And the story she creates in her head can go from he's busy at work to he's texting someone else. The more unreadable you are, the more she'll think about you. This is where ignoring her can give you the advantage if she's already interested. In truth, though, this tactic doesn't work on every woman. If she was never into you to begin with, she'll use that silence as a sign to move on. No overanalyzing, no texting, just done. So the first rule is clear. If you're going to ignore her, just make sure there's already a base of attraction. If she doesn't care about you or hasn't put feelings in yet, your silence won't create curiosity. It'll just make stronger indifference. This is why the right moment is everything. If you've been steady with your attention and communication, a sudden break in the routine feels like a plot twist. But if you've been unreliable or flaky from the start, ignoring her just fades into the background noise of her life. You're not creating mystery, you're just showing that you're unreliable. So think about how you prepared the scene before deciding to play the silence card. Before you try this, you want to ask yourself, does she care enough about me to even ask why I'm silent? If the answer is yes, then you might just start something. If not, you've got some building to do. The emotional buildup, anger, doubt, or desire. Women are emotional creatures, and our feelings don't stay quiet when you go silent. Our curiosity from the first stage will start to change into something deeper at this point. Depending on who she is and how much she's into you, this could mean anger, doubt, or even desire. I'll break down each step. Let's talk about the anger stage. Okay, sometimes ignoring a woman can make her really mad, correct? Upset, and not necessarily because she's angry at you as a person. It's more about how you've interrupted her sense of control. When a woman is used to getting plenty of attention, your silence will feel like rejection. It affects her ego. She might think, well, why hasn't he texted me back? I'm the one who decides when the conversation ends. If she's a type who's used to always being chased, your lack of effort will feel like a hard blow. When anger sets in, some women will try to get a reaction from you. She might send a snippy text like, I guess you're too busy for me. Or she might post something on social media made to get under your skin. And it will be her way of taking back control. Okay, now if you're dealing with a high-maintenance or attention-seeking woman, this reaction is pretty much guaranteed. Let's talk about the doubt stage. For women who truly like you or are just starting to catch feelings, your silence can plant seeds of insecurity. She will think about your last interaction over and over, trying to figure out if she did something wrong. And guys, this is where things get difficult, because doubt makes her vulnerable, but it also makes her guarded. If she feels like you're playing games, it could change her mind. she might decide, well, you're not worth the emotional effort, and start to pull away herself. So this stage is like walking a tightrope. Okay, too much silence and she'll think you're uninterested or disrespectful, and too little silence and she won't feel the spark of curiosity that makes her want to chase you. So it's all about harmony. Let's get into the desire stage now. Here's where ignoring a woman can work well for you. For some women, your silence triggers desire because it shows that you're not desperate. You're not constantly checking your phone waiting for her to respond. You're out there living your life. And of course, that's naturally appealing to women. When a woman senses that you're confident, self-sufficient, and not always available, she'll start to see you in a new way. She might think, hey, what's he up to? Why isn't he messaging me? And just like that, you've created an aura of mystery that will pull her in. The trick is, though, that this only works if she already finds you attractive or intriguing. If you're just some random guy she exchanged numbers with, your silence will hardly register. Yep, she won't even notice. In fact, she might even forget about you during that period. Desire is built on the foundation of attraction, so make sure that you've set up the groundwork before you try this whole silence ignoring move. Before we continue, I want to hear what you think so far. Have you ever been in this situation? Share your views and opinions in the comments below. And for the full breakdown of what this emotional buildup leads to, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Why the emotional buildup is important. This emotional roller coaster, whether it's anger, doubt, or desire, is what makes ignoring a woman such a dangerous play. It can mix up her feelings and make her think about you all the time, but it can also push her away if you try too hard. So ask yourself, are you trying to create desire, or are you accidentally triggering doubt and anger? Because believe me, how you handle this stage will decide whether she becomes more interested in you or totally writes you off. The long-term impact, respect or resentment. Okay, so let's talk about the big picture. Ignoring a woman really isn't about the immediate reaction or even the emotional buildup. It's what happens after the dust clears. And this is where the results get real, because the way you handle silence can either make her respect you or create resentment that she'll always remember. Let's look at this. If you've played your cards right, ignoring a woman can lead to one of the most powerful parts in any relationship, which is respect. The problem is, though, it only works if she sees you as a high-value man. What does that mean? It means you've shown her that your time is precious, your attention isn't given away easily, and you're not the kind of guy who's always seeking validation. A high-value man is busy going after his goals, creating his life, and living with direction. And when a woman sees that, she'll respect it. Your silence in this case doesn't come across as disinterest, it comes across as self-assurance. In so many ways, it says, I'm not ignoring you because I don't care, I'm doing it because I know my worth. But, and this is a big but, you can only make this work if your silence is real. If you're actually busy living your life, your best life, she'll sense it. And if you're faking, she'll see right through it too. This usually happens when your silence feels like a game. If she notices that you're ignoring her just to get a reaction, it'll come across as calculating. No woman likes feeling like she's being played with, and when she does, game over. She'll think, well, if he's this immature now, what's it going to be like being in a relationship with him? Resentment builds when a woman feels unrespected. If you disappear on her without explanation, stop responding to her texts, or ignore her for a very long time, she's going to feel like you're not worth her time. And when resentment takes hold, she doesn't just lose interest in you, she loses respect for you as a person. And once that respect is gone, it's very hard to get it back. So how do you avoid resentment and build respect? It's all about moderation. Don't vanish or cut off communication totally. Instead, create just enough room to make her appreciate your attention. Here's the golden rule. Silence should always feel planned, not accidental. If you're ignoring her because you're honestly busy, she'll respect that. If you're ignoring her, on the other hand, because you're trying to play hard to get, you risk coming across as childish or fake. And I'll add to this, you need to know when to end the silence. Ignoring her for too long will fail. even if she was at first interested. Okay, as I told you, women are emotional creatures, but we also know our worth. If you stay silent for days or weeks without any explanation, she's going to leave. Instead, use silence as a way to refresh the dynamic, give her time to miss you, but then reconnect with confidence. When you do message her, make it clear that you've been occupied, right? And not just sitting around waiting for her. That's the kind of presence women will respect. See, ignoring a woman works when it's done with a clear goal and when there's already a strong foundation of attraction. Let me explain. If she likes you, she finds you attractive, respects you, feels some emotional connection, your silence will make her curious. It'll create that sense of separation that she instinctively would want to close, right? Of course, because women are pulled to what feels slightly out of reach. We all are. And this is where the manipulated mind of not having enough will kick in. When your attention becomes less available, it feels more valuable. Now, let's talk about when ignoring a woman does not work, okay? I believe that ignoring a woman will fail if, number one, and I've said this during the video, she's not interested, okay? If she doesn't already have some kind of basic attraction for you or interest in you, your silence won't create curiosity, it'll just strengthen her indifference. She'll think, well, he stopped texting, okay, that's fine, I wasn't that into him anyway. 2, it feels like a game. Women hate feeling controlled. If your silence comes across as a tactic to gain the upper hand, she'll see right through it, and instead of chasing you, she'll lose respect for you. 3, you've been inconsistent. If you've been flaky or unreliable from the start, ignoring her doesn't make you mysterious, it makes you expected. She's already thinking you'll disappear, so your silence won't have any emotional effect. Ignoring a woman only works if she sees you as someone worth missing. If you haven't created that importance, your silence is just quiet, and that's not going to get you what you want. I'll finish this video now. Listen guys, at the end of the day, ignoring a woman is a risk, okay? And I'm sure you'll have your reasons for wanting to do that, but it can either make her want you or completely push her away. The question is, are you self-assured enough in yourself to handle any outcome? If you take anything away from this video, let it be this. Women respect men who know their worth, not men who play games to prove it. What's your take on this? Do you think the risk is worth it? Leave your views and opinions in the comments below. I read them all. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you've watched the entire video for all the insights. If this video helped you understand the balance, show your support. Please hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel for more honest talks about relationships and the manipulated mind. Stephanie here. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!